I would like to talk today about the malpractice suits. There is a suggestion from Barack Obama to limit the amount of compensation for malpractice suits. And I do agree heartily with this. The suggestion is to limit the amount of damage given to a victim of this malpractice to $250,000 to $500,000 in each case. And this is very large amount of money, and sure, it can compensate for certain amount of damage. Of course, there is some damage that cannot be compensated by any financial means. And in order to do that, I do agree also that we should make it very affordable to those victims to be able to go to the court and prove their case. Nowadays, it is very difficult for poor people to come back against their doctors for malpractice. I know a person that have severe damage from a colonoscopy, and he tried to sue the doctor that made the colonoscopy because it was his fault that the damage has happened. And therefore, he went to contact lawyers, and most lawyers asked for $5,000 to $10,000 to start the sue practice and case. And also, he contacted the ABMA, he contacted the White House, he contacted the governor of the state, and all of his complaint went to the State Board of Examiners, which is the agency that licenses doctors to practice. And they are all practicing physicians, which also would like to do a favor to the rest of them by not prove them not competent, or in this case abusing the medical procedures. Therefore, we should make it easy in case of national health insurance is to appoint a full-time independent board which have no connection to practicing physicians to evaluate and investigate every case of malpractice suit. And in this case, we would like to make their final decision and to take this final decision and told the victims what happened to them. Because in this present instruction, the Medical Board of Examiners does not give the victims an answer. Their answer are secrets, is not published. So what is the value of complaining against a doctor that you will never hear the result of your complaint, because the medical board, the state medical board, refused to release the result of investigation? And therefore, if we have to lower the amount of damage against these doctors, we should also make it easy for those victims to be able to sue, whether they are rich or poor. I would like to hear from you. What do you think? Thank you for listening, and I will see you in my next video of the need for national health insurance. This is Dr. Siam, and I will see you later. Thank you.